choke pit. Okay, I got the dart out, and today I'm going to be doing an oil change on this thing. I haven't had oil change done in a couple of years. There's only 100 miles on it, but since I've bought it, I think. But obviously oil gets condensation in it, and it doesn't do its job anymore, so I got to change it. Okay, real quick while the oil's draining. I did replace the carburetor with an aftermarket single barrel. Got off Mike's carburetorparts.com. This is basically a Holley 1920, but it's got parts for dealing with ethanol, and it only has a manual choke. That's the only real downside. So I need to get a well, I have a choke cable that I can install. I just have to install it yet. But I do want to totally clean out the Holley 1920 and put that back on. It's all original. Basically on this car, everything's original. It's really well taken care of. It's got 43,000 miles on it. So if I can keep the original parts on it, I'm going to do that. Alright, our oil filter is right here, so I'm going to take a few wires out to get better access to it. And of course it will dump oil all over the K-frame. So flip up and pull out, I guess. Okay, so it's nice to finally get this car up and going for the summertime here. And thanks for watching. Just remember, it's not where you're going, it's how you get there.